seasoned pork back ribs cooked slowly, brushed with Weekend at the Cottage's incredible barbecue sauce. You looking for the best tasting ribs ever? Well, you just found them. Try our tender pork ribs with barbecue sauce. The stuff in this bottle is going to help you marinate, flavor a recipe, grill, or add a condiment to a favorite main course. Here's how to use it to create some seriously delicious ribs. Today, I'll be cooking off 2 racks of pork ribs. I begin by flipping the racks, then using a knife to get under that tough layer of protective silver skin. We're gonna lift, get under, then pull the skin up and away. Removing the silver skin is gonna yield ribs that cook off moist and tender. Next step, a very simple seasoning of kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper. We're seasoning both sides of the ribs, then leave them to sit for 30 to 45 minutes to come to room temperature. Good news, although you'll see me cooking these ribs off today on a smoker, this recipe works perfectly if you want to use a conventional grill, charcoal grill, or simply place them on a foil-lined baking sheet and cook them off in the oven. The one key consideration, your cook temperature is 250 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 121 degrees Celsius. Once the smoker, or grill, or queue, or oven is at temperature, grab a bottle of Weekend at the Cottage barbecue sauce, give it a shake. Then pour off maybe a cup's worth into a small bowl, have a grill or basting brush handy. Place the ribs in, close the door, and leave them to cook for 30 minutes. At the 30-minute mark, add your first swipe of our not too sweet, perfectly spiced barbecue sauce, then shut the lid and cook for 30 minutes more. So the ribs have cooked for 1 hour, now we're gonna cook for 1 hour more, but we're gonna start brushing with Weekend at the Cottage barbecue sauce and flip those ribs every 15 minutes. Let's flip and brush. Look how perfectly our sauce clings to the ribs. Flip again. Nice how the ribs are not burning when you cook them this way. Now you just know the flavor of these ribs will be off the charts. One final flip and a final swipe, a bit more cook time to seal the deal. Ribs come off the grill. They look so delicious. We're gonna flip them onto a cutting board, sharp knife, and then you're cutting down in between the bones. You gotta believe me, friends, these tender ribs with barbecue sauce are the best ribs you'll ever make. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. Another nice thing, this barbecue sauce is also available for purchase on our website. Tender pork ribs with barbecue sauce. We'll take your next adventure in rib making from simple to amazing. Amazing. Oh, so good.